Hey there, I'm super excited to announce that I'll be opening up the doors, or by the time you're watching this video, the door might already be open for my individual job oriented cloud specific boot camps, where you can go for an individual cloud boot camp, maybe specific to, like, for example, AWS or Azure or Google or Oracle or DevOps, where we'll be talking about Git, Jenkins, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, etc., and more specific data on cloud. So let me first tell you why I am doing this. Now, a lot of guys are part of, or a lot of you guys joined my multi-cloud, but some of you guys mentioned that they are not yet ready for a multi-cloud and they are new and they want to start steps they want to take a baby step, which means one cloud at a time. So if you are one of them who wants to just learn one or begin with one cloud, any individual cloud, then this is your opportunity to learn that. The focus is going to prepare you for job, or if you're already working, then getting a much higher paid job in cloud. So it's a three-step process or three phases. In phase one or step one, we are going to make sure that you learn and understand these cloud or a specific cloud in depth, including doing the project work. Then on the second phase, we'll be helping you with CV, making sure your CV is built or done properly, building your LinkedIn profile and making sure that you write enough on your LinkedIn so that when once an interviewer picks up your CV and they validate your LinkedIn, they should be able to understand they should have a good understanding about yourself. And then third phase is will be preparing you for the mock interviews so that you know what to expect in the interviews and you can clear those job interviews as well. Now, what to expect and how to get more information. So let's suppose you're interested on AWS or Azure or Google. You go to specific, click on that particular link, and that is where you will have a option to see the brochure to get the further details. So if I click on this, you can get hold of more information, and this is where you can download this brochure and go through that, what you're going to cover, you're going to see. But everything that specific to that particular cloud, we are going to cover right from complete beginner, keeping beginner in mind in cloud. In AWS, for example, your EC2s, VPCs, your storage, networking, compute, databases, the config management, DevOps on AWS cloud or migration. So everything that you can think of. And then once you have understood this with the project work, we help you with your CV preparation, LinkedIn, and mock interviews as well. There'll be extensive hands-on lab. So you learn by doing these stuffs that you will be seeing here. Any questions, you can connect with my team who will be helping you with the specific, but this brochure should be able to give you enough information. The sessions are going to be live interactive. There'll be recorded videos available that will basically complement the things that you'll be learning. So live weekly interactive sessions with my team, with experts. There'll be mock interviews. There'll be unlimited retake, on-job support as well. You can get hold of. There'll be support through WhatsApp. There'll be support through ticketing system, and the most important is there'll be mock interviews. You will also be able to do certifications. So, for example, just to give an example on AWS, you'll be able to do AWS Foundation, DevOps, and as well as AWS Solution Architect. Everything that I'm going to talk about or on these programs comes with a 60 days money back guarantee. But in order for you to qualify for this refund policy, you have to do the work. You have to show that you've tried and tested, and you share the screenshots that you've attempted. Because if you don't attempt, you're not going to get a result as well. Now, who this program is for? If you're looking for a job, or if you're already working into a job and want to move to cloud, or if you're already working into one cloud and you want to go for multi-cloud, we'll be helping you with all those things as well. Now, there'll be a lot of other questions which I'll show you, but we have hundreds and hundreds of guys who have gone through and have got a result. You will see these testimonials inside a lot of these. These are some of our customers that have helped in specific, or my team have helped in specific. But having said that, if you want to go more questions, you should be able to find out more questions here as well. Now, similarly, if you're going for data, we'll be talking about in data on cloud. We'll be focusing on Azure and AWS data cloud, or more in Azure cloud. You'll be looking at things like Lakehouse or other things like Azure Data Factory, and there'll be lots and lots of information you'll be having, but you can get that from brochure. If you want to enroll on any of the programs, you just click on the enroll button like this here, and you will come on a page like this. You enter your detail and you will have two options. Either go for a one single payment. There'll be, oh, by the way, there will be 500 off, which is the most key. But these discount is only for limited time. You're not going to get them. Just this discount is only for a few days, and that's why I'm recording this so that you don't miss out on this bonus. You can also have a monthly payment of $297 each. If you can possible, I would suggest you go for this single payment. You save a little bit money. And once you register, you will immediately get access to the program. You will also get access to WhatsApp group and ticketing system as well, as I mentioned. Now, if you want to go further questions, if you have any questions, I think you should be able to get some of these questions here. If you need any help on which cloud to pick, maybe you can speak to my team. There should be chat. There should be, I think, email ID contact@k1academy.com. So contact@k1academy.com, or maybe WhatsApp, reach out to my team on WhatsApp, k1academy.com/WhatsApp. Also, I think you will be having a WhatsApp group where you can ask questions as well. Um, as I said, you're going to get a weekly live interactive sessions, and I think there'll be a lot of other questions that you'll be seeing here as well. Oh, okay. Yeah. So just click on enroll now button or go to a specific program and enroll, and I'll see you on other side to welcome you and make sure that you get result. With that, this is Atul. Thanks for listening. And if you have any questions, leave them as a comment section, and I'll see you inside the program soon.